Hey, welcome to Art 2. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about helping you sell your art online through print on demand. And in today's video, we're going to discuss starting your Redbubble store. If you're new to Redbubble and you've never set up a shop, then let's talk about it and get into it in this video. There are a few reasons why you should start your own Redbubble store. For one, it's a great side hustle. You can create and upload designs for free, and once they start selling, you earn a commission on each sale. This is a great way to make some extra money on the side, and there's no need for any special skills or training. Redbubble is also perfect for anyone who wants to start their own business. It's a print-on-demand business, which means you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Redbubble takes care of all that for you, and because it's an online-only store, there are no expensive overhead costs to worry about. Redbubble is a great way to share your artwork with the world. If you're doing art designs, you'll want to get them online. It's not making you any money if it's just sitting on your computer. Yes, some of us enjoy creating art as a hobby with no intentions of making money from it. There is, however, a way for those who want to supplement their income to share their work with the rest of the world. This is where Redbubble comes in. You now have a platform to sell and share your artwork with people all over the world. The best aspect is that you don't have to spend any money to start this business, and you won't have to deal with customers. Redbubble prints your designs, then process the payments, which is how you receive your commission. You get paid by PayPal, and that's it. This is a great website for artists, photographers, and other creative types to sell their work. I'd like to be open and honest with anybody who's new to Redbubble. There's a lot of buzz online about people making a lot of money on Redbubble or other print-on-demand businesses, and while that is true that some people make a lot of money selling their art online, many others do not make a full-time living from print on demand and may not even make enough to go on a night out. When I started out, I was making less than $20 a month. It was really discouraging because I was working my butt off and barely making anything. But I kept at it, and eventually my income grew. Now I make a good side hustle income from Redbubble and other print on demand platforms. But it didn't happen overnight, and that's one key thing I'm always trying to stress to you guys out there, is that a lot of things that people are successful in don't start overnight. You don't just become successful at something. You have to put in a lot of hours. It took me a while to learn how to design well, market myself, and understand the business. So don't get discouraged if you're not making a lot of money right away. It takes time and effort to build a successful business. But with that said, it's definitely worth it in the end. If you're willing to put in the work, you can definitely see success on Redbubble. It's taken me many years to try designs and styles and understand how web traffic is directed to my shop, but I'm finally seeing the fruits of my labor, and it's definitely worth it. And I like to share that with you guys in these videos because I've gone through a lot of different things and a lot of testing, and I want to share it with anybody who wants to set up a shop, so you don't have to go through all the things that I had to go through. And I hope that if you learn new things, that you'll share it with the world, because that's what it's all about, and trying to get people to learn and be educated about different topics. And the more we all know about something, the better it is for all of us. So you want to make money with your art. That's awesome. The first step is to setting goals for what you would like to earn. I had a goal to reach $100 in monthly sales by the end of the year when I first started. This helped me take steps to get to where I am now. I made sure to create quality products and market my store through social media. In just a few months, I surpassed my goal and continued working towards increasing my monthly sales even more. If you're looking to start your own business, it's important to set goals and have a plan in place to achieve them. Having a goal helps give you direction and motivation along the way. Running an internet business is also a fantastic method to gain experience in running your own company. You will understand how to set margins, how to get paid, how to expand your business. These are all things that you can learn just from setting up a small online shop on Redbubble or another print-on-demand platform. All of these talents can be used to start other businesses in the future, and you may be able to find even more opportunities by having some of these skills that you learned from setting up a little shop in your little corner of the world on Redbubble. If you haven't already set up a shop, go over to Redbubble and do that now. You can come back to this channel and go through the Redbubble playlist, where we have a bunch of videos that will give you more information on how to use the platform and get sales. We're constantly adding new print-on-demand information, so don't forget to check out the channel once in a while, and you'll find something new to help your business grow when it comes to print on demand. If you're just starting out and need a program or a way to design new designs to upload to print on demand, you can play around with the program in Canva. You can also use the link in the description box below for a 30-day trial for Canva if you're just starting out and need some sort of design program to get you started. Just because you don't have artistic talent, maybe to draw a Picasso, doesn't mean that you can't create a funny t-shirt to upload to Redbubble or other print-on-demand websites. You can get started with print-on-demand with text. If that's all you have right now and you don't know how to draw, don't worry about it. You can use a program like Canva to create amazing designs with some of the elements that they have there, incorporate with your text, and you can put out a product that looks really nice on a t-shirt or other merchandise through Redbubble or other print-on-demand platforms. So, just do it. Just get out and start designing and doing things and uploading it to these platforms. There should be no stopping you now. You should be motivated to give Redbubble a try and also to start learning about some of the other print-on-demand platforms available online. We've talked about some of those platforms on this channel, so you can find them in the playlists if you do want to learn more about other ways to sell your designs online. You might be starting small with a Redbubble shop with a few designs, but in a year, you may have hundreds of designs uploaded and a bunch of shops on other print-on-demand. In conclusion, starting your own Redbubble store is a great way to make money and build a following for your artwork. It's easy to set up and manage, and there are many tools and resources available to help you get started. So why not give it a try? If you like this content and have not already subscribed, hope you can hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when the next video goes up. Hitting the like button also helps a lot. So until the next video, keep uploading and have a great day, guys.